In nature, flowing water dances, spins and turns along its journey. This motion of vortexes cleanses, energizes and aligns water molecules into a geometric pattern. A highly sophisticated communication system designed for all biological life to thrive. This liquid crystalline state is known as structured water. In our towns and cities, water is dammed, piped and pumped along straight lines and around sharp corners, disrupting its natural flow. This creates hard, flat water in a destructive state, corrosive and capable of dissolving concrete, even stone. This state is known as bulk water. And this is what ends up in our taps. With natural action vortex technology, water is realigned and energized in a motion that replicates nature, restoring water to its coherent, structured state, allowing all biological life to thrive once more. Imagine spring quality water in your home or wherever you are. Health Water Company. Change your water, change your world.